Hi guys, today we are making South Asian ice cream, also known as kulfi, in 3 different flavors. We're going to first start off with our traditional kulfi. In a large bowl, we're going to mix 2 cups evaporated milk, 1 cup sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups Cool Whip. If you are using regular whipped cream, then you will have to add in some extra sugar, half a teaspoon of rose water, 4 green cardamoms peeled and crushed, 2 tablespoons sugar, and whisk it together well. Pour it into a freezer-safe container and garnish with whatever you'd like and cover. We're going to freeze this for a minimum of 6 hours, longer if possible. Now I'm going to show you how to take the traditional kulfi and transform it into an almond kulfi. So we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of almond extract and some chopped almonds. And that's it. You're going to freeze it the same way that you would the traditional kulfi and enjoy. Moving on to the mango kulfi, we're going to start off with 1 cup evaporated milk, 1.5 cups mango pulp, 1 cup sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups frozen whipped cream, 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon rose water, and 4 cardamom pods peeled and crushed. Again, we're going to whisk everything together until it's smooth. Pour it into a freezer-safe container. Cover, here I'm using saran wrap, and after 6 hours it is ready to enjoy. And there you have it. Here's all 3 flavors plattered. These are especially nice to have during the summer. You can make faluda out of these, whatever your choices are. Anyways, try out this recipe. Let me know what you think and what your favorite variation was in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.